Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off your active status on Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Messenger app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Then tap on Active Status. You need to switch the toggle off to the right of Show when you're active. Tap the toggle to switch it off. Note that when you turn off your active status, you will no longer be able to see when your friends are online. Tap Turn Off on the pop-up. Your active status is now switched off, and you will appear offline until you turn it on again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Messenger tips and tricks.